Sodick.
Welcome to the Sodick booth. This is the newest wire EDM machine, the AL Series iGroove Edition. We would like to present the benefits of our two newest functions we added for tall workpieces: the wire rotation function iGroove and the step cutting function StepCut. iGroove Edition is a new function that has never been done on a wire EDM machine. This new function rotates the wire while cutting. By rotating the wire while cutting, the finish for thick workpieces will significantly improve. Before, we were only using one surface of the wire to cut. The unworn wire starts the cutting at the top. When the wire travels to the lower, the wire gradually wears out and will create unwanted streaks and unevenness at the bottom. To prevent these unwanted streaks and unevenness to occur, we used to correct these surfaces with taper and increase the feed speed to use the unworn wire as much as possible. As a result, however, wire consumption would increase and productivity will drop. The wire rotation mechanism iGroove will use all of the surface of the wire during the finishing cut, making it possible for high-efficient machining. Here is a sample using iGroove. The workpiece material is SKD11. The thickness ranges from 20 millimeters to 80 millimeters, and the plate thickness changes very quickly. The AL iGroove Edition also has another new feature: StepCut, that can cut workpieces that change thickness with high precision and high quality. In addition to the high precision from the previous generation, we have developed many new functions, and they will increase the value in machining. For more detailed explanation, please ask us for our catalog and quotations. Please feel free to contact us regarding any questions. All Sodick employees will be happy to assist.